Hi guys, oh my gosh, my hair.
Fellice putar aja.
Ada ya tau. Oke guys, jadi tuh saya udah ambil ini untuk kayak baju-baju gue. And I think I'm gonna bring this hat blaze. Oke, so kan kita akan di sana untuk 4 hari ya. What? Wait, so I gotta start planning what I'm gonna wear tomorrow, and the day after. Jetting. It has my name behind it too. I don't care if this gets messy. Ini untuk besok. Terus besok saya akan pakai baju tidur. Besoknya lagi, saya akan pakai wait, jadi tuh hari Rabu saya akan jam 4 bangun, jam 5 berangkat, dan jam 7 naik. Kayak jam 7 is my flight. So it's early, right? So we gotta, I don't know, wear something. I don't want to wear something too warm. See, this is why I like traveling to cold places. Wait, what if I wear this? I don't know if it still fits me or not. Yeah, let's give it a try. I tried it on, and yeah, it is supposed to fit like, yeah. I mean, this is originally a crop top, but like a few years ago I bought it when I was like 9. That's why dulu tuh kayak menutupi my whole, kurang lebih sampai sini lah. But now it's actually starting to become like a crop top. That's fine. Okay, for that, I think I'm gonna just bring it, not wear it, from Indonesia to Penang, because it's a crop top, and I think it's, who wears crop tops in early mornings? That's just weird. And then for this, I'm gonna use this skirt. I think I'm gonna bring some shorts too underneath it, because low-key I don't like to wear like really short skirts. That's why I like short skirts, because it's cute, but I don't feel comfortable wearing it. I think I'm gonna wear some long pants, like cargo pants. Look, I got Mofusan shirt. What? Yeah. It's the one that I got in Taiwan. Will it fit? I'm scared. Atau I coba lagi lah. Okay, masih muat sih, masih enak untuk dipakai sih. It's kind of a crop top, but not like. Wait, I could bring this, the Chikawa. But there's this one problem. This is also like pas-pasan gitu. It's not really a crop top, but not really baggy like the usual ones that I use. Cause my everyday clothes is just a simple red t-shirt that's like this long, and I also like to wear a simple gray t-shirt that's also this long. Like, because this is like this long, I think this is meant for adults, I think. Baju apa kebalik ya? Wait, I just realized. Wait, jangan-jangan ini malah kebalik. See? This is like almost on my shoulders. So if I kayak gini akan turun, I don't have any more. So I think I'm gonna use this, the one that I use in Taiwan. Yo, I got some news. Oh yeah, please don't mind me using this ugly cinnamoral pajamas, because like yang lain udah dimasukkan ke dalam koper kan. Besok saya akan ke Penang kan. Yesterday I said that our flight is at 7 a.m. Diganti jadi 5 a.m. My mom said I gotta wake up at 1 a.m. Go to the airport at 2 a.m. and get on the airplane at 5 a.m. Anyways, I got this. Ini. Sama Guys, I mau pamer dulu bentar. Look at this jacket. Look at this jacket. Untuk kalian yang nggak tahu, I pakai jaket ini untuk kemana dan di mana dan mengapa. This is for my piano competition in Taiwan. I was competing in Taiwan and I was given this because I'm very, very good in piano. I'm sorry. Wait, what? Wait, hold on. What? Why do I... Hold on, what the hell? Why do I got duplicates of the same pants? It's the exact same pants. What? Look. 16. Look. 16. Oh my gosh. Hai guys. Jadi sekarang jam 2, udah mau jam 3 pagi. Nanti flight kita jam 5.30-an.
This is the first time we ride Transnusa.
Emang ya? Transnusa kayak gimana?
Later we check.
Bruce trying to act nonchalant so hard. I think he's mad at me. Yeah, he's mad at me. Oke guys, sekarang kita semua lewat imigrasi.
Papa should smile a bit.
Smile. Oke guys. Aduh, kok rambutku gini banget ya? Sekarang kita mau cari makan soalnya sama sekali. Iya.
Ada ininya ya?
Okay. Hah? Why is the front camera so shaky meanwhile the...
爸爸頭先講會都話個別點啊？頭先
kopitiam. See, we're besties again. Dia gak mau musuh-musuhan lagi. Yay.
Yang ya.
Why do I have a Adam's apple? Guys, I got this. It's kayak coba lihat, ini bukan sedotan. This isn't a sedotan, sabar.
Tambah satu deh.
This is...
Ini untuk ramen.
Ramen apa? Chicken?
Iya. Sama.
Sabar. Wait,
Oh, minum air.
why can't it focus to...
Oh iya, air hangat aja, Pak.
Ya.
This is not a sedotan. Guys, lihat. Ini itu toko roti yang terakhir kali kita pergi untuk makan itu di Korea loh. Korea. Saat mau ke Korea saya duduk di sini. Hah? Puyau. Puyau. Aduh, tempat lama kita diduduki orang. Oke guys, sekarang kita lagi duduk kayak di sini gitu. Itu gate kita, gate 5. Dan itu pesawat kita tuh, kita lagi nunggu sampai jam 5. Sekarang jam 4.25. Saya akan edit video dulu deh guys, bye. kita mau masuk pesawat ini rekamnya pakai HP Bapak soalnya HP aku lagi export video Westin ini. Oh my gosh. Guys, kalau misalnya ini udah selesai, udah upload, kalian nontonnya video Westin. Pagi guys, jadi tuh kita udah sampai di Penang. Tadi selama di dalam pesawat tuh tidur tau. Welcome to Penang. Okay guys, now we're gonna jadi Inggris sih? Karena kita mau beli Dunkin Donat. Hah? Oke guys, sekarang kita lagi di supermarket. What?
Yuk keliling.
What is this? Oh, sorry. Wait, these are all the Korean stuff. There's bulldog. You say that's chosom? Isn't it chosom?
Es kopi.
What?